So FPL Clinic has been away for a couple of weeks, mainly because there was no FPL. But couple of things to note, not to forget, but Spurs lost their last game. Yes, it was 3-0 against Nottingham Forest, so it dented a lot of things. Chelsea also were defeated by Everton, same scoreline. Yeah, it was their fourth straight loss in all competitions at that point. However, they've managed to turn it around a bit. Now, there are players that you should take note of. Bruno is one of them. He comes up against a very interesting side. I'll tell you more about that. Welbeck also scored a brace and won the game for Brighton versus Liverpool. Liverpool have been doing downswell, have been losing since that particular game, but no one is talking because we are all fine. Now let's get on to games to target this weekend. The first game is that Arsenal versus Bournemouth games. Arsenal are predicted to score the most goals in this particular one, but you need to consider their centre-backs. Their centre-backs are kind of very interesting to look at this evening, and there is more potential for them as well. This weekend. Now, let me give you some player recommendations. Jesse mentioned Nico O'Reilly. Yes, Nico O'Reilly is one player you should consider because of his box crashing adventures he has been licensed by Pep Guardiola to take. They are coming up against Chelsea. Chelsea should have holes in the middle, especially looking at that pairing between either Andre Santos and the man, Moise Caicedo, or the man, Romeo Lavia, and then the gentleman, Moise Caicedo. So check out Nico O'Reilly. Another player to sell this weekend quickly is Liverpool asset Hugo Ekitike. No need for questions in that one. We'll build up to a chip strategy much later. But for captaincy, let's go on to Bruno Fernandes. He's got a very interesting game versus Leeds United. Leeds United are depleted with injuries. More function, more action for Bruno Fernandes. Also consider Erling Braut Haaland because he bagged a hat-trick over the weekend where he got into that whole, FA Cup scene. So differentials for this weekend, consider Daniel Nitaki Welbeck, Ismail Assar. But with Ismail Assar, put a question mark on him. I really don't trust Crystal Palace after playing on European night. Morgan Gibbs-White is also another to consider. That's as far as that is concerned with regards to FPL Clinic.